Hello world, I'm Gaz. Welcome to day one of my vlog and day zero of Vlogmas in July. Before I start talking about any yarn or projects coming up for Vlogmas, I just wanted to talk about the plan for the videos. So I'm wanting to do daily check-ins and showing the advent calendar, progress on the two projects, but also any other whips. I have some cross stitch. I have something on the blocking mats at the moment, so that will definitely make an appearance. I'm going to take them daily check-ins and compile them into weekly videos, so releasing on the 8th, the 15th, the 22nd and 29th of July. The first project is going to be an advent calendar, and I picked this one up from Heidi at veganyarns.com. This is the box. This is in their Alberio fingering weight yarn. It's going to be 51% cotton and 49% bamboo. I think you'll notice that there's a couple of the boxes already open, but it's not that I don't like surprises. I just thought I'd better check that the colorway will work with the pattern I have in mind. And that pattern is going to be the Dragon Belly Shawl by Johanna Lindahl. This is one I've made for myself. I have so many scarves and shawls hanging around the house who I've either not had anyone in mind or they're ready to be gifted. But that one there I've made for myself, and I think this one will be too. The second project is by Siona at Hooked on Crochet Club. This is her first cal, so congratulations Siona, well done. And this is going to be made of 6 of her washcloth patterns. We're going to be making 5 of each to make 30 squares, and then there's going to be a join and a border. The colorway I'm using is by Gun Manufacture. This is their Lola Bubble Box. And this colorway is in the Hooked on Crochet Club logo colors. So they've got that very light teal through to yellow and then peach, and white for the join and the border. So that's the plan. I'm usually crocheting something, so watching YouTube and crocheting away, so I shouldn't have any dramas with those. The advent calendar is only maybe 60 meters each ball, so shouldn't be a drama to get one done each day, work and life permitting. So I will see you. For me it'll be tomorrow, for you it'll be next week. Thank you very much.